This is the brief on the difference between much and many. While both words basically just describe quantity, figuring out exactly when to use them is a massive hurdle for English learners. But honestly, it's the ultimate secret to sounding like a native speaker. First, well, it all comes down to the foundational rule of countability. Think of countable nouns like individual items you can physically toss in a bucket one by one, whereas uncountable nouns are just one giant, undivided blob. So you use many for things you can count, like books or apples, and much for things you can't, like water, money, or time. Second, let's talk about questions and negative statements, because these words are absolute heavy hitters there. You'll constantly hear sentences like, "How much money do you have?" or "I don't have many friends here." But hold on, what if you are popular and rich? Do you say, "I have many friends," or "I have much money"? Finally, here's the crazy twist. Neither. In positive sentences, native English speakers usually drop much and many entirely, preferring to just use a lot of instead. So you'd actually say, "I have a lot of friends," or "She has a lot of money." Ultimately, if you can physically count it, stick with many, and if you can't, go with much, and you'll be communicating effortlessly in no time.